You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to add a dual clock widget to your iPhone lock screen. With iOS 16 or later, you can customize your lock screen with widgets. Press and hold your lock screen until you enter edit mode. Tap Customize. Tap the area below the time to add widgets, or if you have a lock screen set, tap the widget area directly. A widget gallery will appear at the bottom. Scroll or search for the world clock widget. You may find it under the clock category. The world clock widget can show multiple time zones. Tap the medium or large rectangular world clock widget to add it. Once added, you can tap the widget to configure it. Tap the widget. On the lock screen edit view, then tap the placeholder cities. Search for and select the two cities you want to display, like New York and London. Tap Done. The widget now shows both times. You can only add widgets to a lock screen that uses a standard wallpaper, not a dynamic one that hides them. To remove or change it later, press and hold the lock screen, tap Customize, then tap the widget and use the minus sign. This widget is great for tracking time in different countries. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.